I've made pork carnitas on Mount Sizzle. I've also made barbacoa, which this strongly resembled. Today I'm feeling a little experimental and cheap, or cheaper than usual. I spied a sweet deal on a bottom round roast and sprung into action. 2 pounds, 13 bucks. Not bad to feed 4 to 6 people. So this is a pot roast done with a Mexican flair, with a few differences. I'm going to use slightly more shortening per pound, and I'm using a little more lime and orange juice. I'm also going to cook this longer in the pot and not use a roasting rack. My biggest fear is that this meat will be very dry, because this is a very lean cut of beef. I love this because it has a lot of bold flavors that boil in. And per usual, this is great tailgate Sunday afternoon fare. You can most certainly do this and reheat it later. I know what people think when I say corn tortillas. They never work. So if you want to buy a nice stack of tortilla chips, go right ahead and make a nacho. No sweat off my burro sack. It took me 50 weak years on the face of this earth to finally learn how to bake corn tortillas. Bake them open side down so they open up, instead of on their side where they'll just close.